Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Asia and I am back again with a brand new video. So as you guys can see by that title, you already know what this video is about to be about. Yes, I finally did it. This video is about to be how to start your lip gloss business for under $100. Yes, $100. Yes, $100. It's not expensive at all. It's not expensive. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn post notifications on so you guys do not miss when I upload a new video. I'm on the road to 1K and I'm super excited. So let's get into this video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to start your lip gloss business for under $100. So you know the basics of starting a business in general. You need a name, your logo, what kind of business you're going to be doing it for. You definitely need an Instagram page. You need to have a website once you get everything finalized. You need to, try to make everything on your own if you can. If you have the money to get like a graphic designer to make your business cards, your thank you cards, then by all means. But for me, I had the money, but I wanted the experience of doing it on my own. So I'm going to show you guys my business card. This is my business card. This is what it looks like. So once you order from me, you will get this business card. Well, honestly, I'm making new ones, so this is just what it looks like. I'm just going to show you guys if it can focus. That's what it looks like. Just start off with the basics. It doesn't have to be all types of crazy, but by all means, whatever you like, do what you gotta do, sis. Okay. So basically, how you start your lip gloss business. I have a lip gloss starter kit available now, and most likely after this video, I'm gonna be uploading my wholesale as well. So when you start off with your business, you're gonna have, well, if you order from me, you will get your box like this. Please don't mind us a little messed up, but just for the sake of this video. You will get a box like this. It will come just like this. You will have all your supplies in here. So what I offer is, a 8-ounce bag of base, oil infused coconut oil. So it will come just like this. It will come just like this. 8-ounce bag of base. 2 syringes, 60 milliliter syringes, 15 ml lip gloss tubes. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like right now. So, just like this. Don't worry, I don't have the top right now, so I have it. There's no need to do all of that right now. But so you'll have this. You can either order this in black, pink, and silver. All of this will be available, so don't worry. You'll have that. You'll have a random flavoring oil of your choice, well, of my choice, because it's going to be random. So you can purchase your own flavoring oils, but that's up to you. Everything will be here. And then you will have a pigment selection of your choice, which will be 3 pigment selections. So it doesn't necessarily have to be these colors, which I'm about to show you right now. It doesn't necessarily have to be pink or this holographic or this purple. Whichever colors I do have for wholesale, you guys can purchase these, and I will have like add-ons as well. So say if you guys don't only just want one bag of base, you can order another bag of base. You can order more selections of colors. You can order more lip gloss tubes, squeeze tubes, everything. I will have these lip gloss tubes with the brush tips for wholesale as well. So that will be coming very soon. I will have this for wholesale. Yeah, so that's really just like the basics of starting your lip gloss business. everything is really under $100. It's not expensive. This is an investment, so I really think you guys should take this leap of faith and start your business, become a businesswoman, because everybody wants to be a businesswoman. Who wants to work for anybody anymore? Become your own boss, because why not? I'm my own boss and I love it. So I think you guys should, invest in yourselves. Christmas is coming. Ask your parents, ask your, whoever to help you get that, start your business. It's for a good cause, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that's just the basics of starting your lip gloss business. You need to have like I said, you need to have your logo, your lip gloss, your business name, your website, your Instagram page. It's always good to have a website. It's very good to have a website. Nobody wants to order with you through like DM or email and stuff like that, because once you have a website, everything is just available for the person to see. So maybe say they like this, and then they scroll down, they might like something else, and it's there. They could just add it on. They don't want to have to keep contacting you to see what other products that you have. Just it makes your life easier as well too. So I think you guys should just have everything already ready. But thank you guys for watching this video. This was a very quick short video of how to start your lip gloss business for under $100. I appreciate everybody for supporting me and supporting everything that I'm doing. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.